there's just one bedroom, you know, and I'm not completely done yet. So I just want to demonstrate how much soil, debris we're getting out of just one bedroom. And always do this with a gloved hand, always. It's part of the keeping it clean process. But either or, I'm happy to be here. Just one bedroom alone accrued all this, so it's very important that you mindfully check the filter every so often, so that way you can maximize the suction and everything else. So this is everything we just pulled out here. This is just out of one master bedroom, and this is all dust, allergen, debris, everything. And this is just in the winter season. Imagine in the spring season when you get a lot of trees, pollens, everything like that. Your carpet are your natural filters. They're gonna soak up a lot of things through the atmosphere or the indoor air quality. That's why it's actually important to have carpet or rugs. But either way, it's more important to have a cleaner that's 5-star rated to come out and get rid of all this pollens and pollutants. So yeah, give us a call anytime and we'll get this out of your carpets easy.